Hey guys, in this video I want to introduce you to a new plugin that I have developed. The plugin is called AI Document Analyzer. So if you are working with documents with a lot of PDFs, for example, a lot of Word files or a lot of text files, and you want to analyze these documents or want to use AI to answer questions about the specific document, and you don't want to upload the documents to the internet, for example, to different online tools, or if you don't want to upload these documents to ChatGPT because the documents are sensitive, for example, then I think I have the perfect solution for you. I developed the tool myself because I am working with documents myself, with PDF files, with Word documents, with text documents that I need to analyze and get an overview of these files, and don't have to read everything in detail and want AI to analyze these documents or answer questions about these documents. And this is what I have developed. I want to show you the tool. So I developed the tool or I built the tool for macOS and also for Windows. You can see here a zip file for macOS and here for Windows. I already installed this application on my Mac. So let me open the application. Let me search for this application. There it is, a docu-summarizer. And here it is. So here you can see you can upload different files, different document files. You can see upload PDF files, upload uh, documents, text documents, upload TXT files. And then we have a help section here. Here you can see what this is all about, what settings you can make, what you can do with this plugin, the summary types, and then you can read this if you want to. Then we have the settings. So here in the settings, you have to input your OpenAI API key. If you don't already have an OpenAI API key, then you can simply click here, and then you can get an OpenAI API key. Uh, when you have your API key, then you have to paste it in here. You can click here on test API key if the API key is valid. In this case, the API key is valid. Then you can click here on save. Here you have some different presettings you can make. For example, default summary type, bullet points, action item, custom questions. So you can make some presettings here. Also, if you want to save the documents in the history, if you want to use dark mode, you can select this here. And yeah, so then let's go to the dashboard again. And I already prepared some sample documents. Let's, for example, this contract. Let me open this real quick that you can see what's inside here. Yeah, this is a contract for real estate. You can see this sample document. Let me close this again. And then we can simply drag and drop it in here into our application. Now you can see the document is here. You can, if you want to, you can delete this. You can upload multiple documents. And then you can choose your summary options. If you want to have, you can choose your summary options here, bullet points, action items, or custom question. Let's, for example, choose bullet points, TLDR summary. You can choose the output length. If you want to have a short output, a medium output, or a long output, then you can choose the focus area, general overview. If you work with legal documents, you can choose legal issues, financial data, and then you can choose the language. So if you're working with an English language, then of course you leave it on English. If you're working with the German language, then you can put the language output to German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Russian, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, France. Let's leave it for now on English. And then, let's simply click here on Generate Summary. now you can see the summary will generate it. And here you can see now we have an overview of the document. It doesn't matter how long or how many pages the document have. It doesn't matter. So the AI can analyze everything. You don't have to upload this to an online platform. Yeah, here you can see this works. You can download it as a TXT file. You can download the summary as a PDF file. Let's go back and let's upload a different one. For example, this, I don't even know what this is. This is a sample contract I downloaded from the internet. Can see. Let's close this and let's grab it and uh, drop it here. So now you can see the document is here. We can also delete this. So for example, the old one, let's delete this if we don't want to save it here. And then let's go, for example, to custom questions. And then here we can put in, or here you can put in any questions you have about this document. For example, what is this document all about? Or you can answer question, what are the names, or what the most important stuff in the document. You can ask anything you want. Then let's click on the button here, and now the document get analyzed, and here's our answer. So I have the question, what is this document all about? And here is our answer. So you can see this document is a sample contract between an NGO or UN agency and a company or agent, and so on and so forth. Yeah, I think this is really helpful. So if you're working with a ton of documents and you don't want to read them, or text files and you don't want to read them, simply grab your documents and put it in here. Then, yeah, you can use the AI functionality to analyze the document, to ask specific questions. If you want to analyze this for legal questions, for financial data, you can ask the tool, and the tool will answer your questions, summarize the documents, and so on. Then, yeah, you can delete the history if you want. And here you can see, let me show you with a TXT file. Here I downloaded, here I downloaded a blog post, sample blog post. Let's close this. Let's put it in here. So now you can see here's our TXT file. Let's go to bullet points. Then let's put it on, or let's leave it on medium. Put it on key decisions. Then let's click on generate summary. Yeah, and now this TXT file is analyzed, and yeah, you get the idea. So I think this tool is really helpful. So if you're working with a ton of documents, like I said before, then yeah, maybe you try this out. And yeah, so I will put all the links to this tool in the video description down below. If you want to have it, then go to the video description. There you will find all the links, and yeah, that's it for the video. So if you liked the video, if you found the video informative, if you learned something new, then I would appreciate if you press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's it for the video. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.